big adventure bikes are out of reach? Think again. The 2026 KTM 390 Adventure packs serious capability into a lightweight, affordable package. And it's more refined than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest on bikes, cars, and tech built for the road ahead. If you're into practical performance and smart design, make sure you stick around for this one. Design. The 2026 model keeps the aggressive, rally-inspired look KTM fans love, but adds a few smart upgrades. There's a new LED headlight setup, sharper bodywork, and a more functional windscreen. Ergonomics are slightly improved too, with better seat cushioning and adjustable handlebars. It still looks and feels ready for adventure, whether you're on the pavement or way off it. Performance. At the heart of the 390, Adventure is KTM's proven 373 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine. Smooth, punchy, and reliable. It's now tuned for a bit more low-end torque, which really helps on technical trails. The 6-speed gearbox feels crisp, and the slipper clutch makes downshifts easier. It's lightweight, responsive, and incredibly capable for its size. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or carving up gravel roads. Features and tech. KTM doesn't skimp on tech. For 2026, you get a new 5-inch TFT display with better visibility, Bluetooth connectivity, ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and even off-road ABS. Suspension is still WP Apex, now with more adjustability for dialing in your perfect setup. It's a beginner-friendly bike with pro-level tools. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 390 Adventure is a true go-anywhere machine, light, smart, and surprisingly tough. Whether you're just getting into ADV riding or looking for a compact second bike, this one deserves a serious look. So, what do you think? Would you take this over a Himalayan or CRF300L? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more hands-on takes on the bikes that matter. See you out there!